Whenever you come to Mysore, you will probably go to the beautiful Mysore Palace or the biggest Mysore Zoo, the Karanji Lake, the Chamundeshwarai temple, or you will go to the beautiful Brindavan gardens. In this vlog, I'm gonna take you to the unseen, hidden or the heritage places in Mysore. So stay tuned with me, guys. Thank you guys for tuning back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am in the royal city of Mysore, which is also ranked as the 5th most clean city in India. Today I'm gonna walk you through the various old heritage structures in Mysore. So guys, I have with me Sia.
Hi.
She's from Mysore and she is from the Gully Tours, right?
Yes.
So
I'm a tour operator and I work at Gully Tours.
She's gonna take us through and show us the old heritage buildings and some local markets in Mysore.
So this is a depiction of a demon who is half bull and half man.
Oh, okay.
Right. So his name is Mahishasura.
Mahishasura. Okay.
Yeah, and Mysore is named after him.
Okay.
So Mysore is called as land of the demon king Mahishasura.
Right.
And that's how the name Mysore came into being. And coming back to actual history, so Mysore was ruled by the warriors for 500 years. But during a small duration between their rule, there was 2 Muslim rulers. Do you know about 2 Muslim rulers, Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan? Yeah. So Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan seized powers from the warriors and they started their reign. Right? So after the British defeated Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, the power was given back to the British, during which they signed a secret pact saying that they won't wage any more wars against the British. So the British let them have the power to administer. And to help with administration, they started hiring Divans, more like prime ministers, and the first prime minister is Rangacharlu. And the person who's talking about Rangacharlu was the first prime minister.
Okay.
And if you see on top of the building, it reads Rangacharlu Memorial Hall.
Cool. And that's how we started our heritage walking tour with Sia. She then took us to see the clock tower. The significance of this tower is that a thin man goes up the tower from inside and winds the clock for it to be functional. Our next stop is the Freemasons Hall. This hall is the oldest in Mysore and is currently in broken stage. You will find the newly built Freemasons Hall adjacent to this old one. We now stand outside the beautiful Mysore Palace to know some not so famous facts. This Mysore Palace that we see today is actually the 4th one. The first one was struck by lightning, second one was destroyed, and the 3rd palace caught fire during a prince's wedding. And that's why they have used very less wood to construct the 4th palace. Only the front portion of the palace is open to public. The royal family still live in the rooms at the back of the palace. It's time to enter the local market now. This is the famous Devaraj market, where you get everything from fruits, vegetables, puja things, and many more.
Nanjangud Rasbale, right? So you can eat it actually.
Okay, sure. We were fortunate enough to taste the famous Nanjangud banana, which actually tastes like an apple. Another interesting thing is there is a village by the name Nanjangud where these bananas are produced, but they do not export it anywhere. The reason being, it all gets consumed in the nearby towns. When you come to Mysore, tasting the Mysore Pak is a must. This corner shop in Devaraj market is a 60-year-old shop and they make authentic Mysore Pak in pure ghee. This is the place where you get the best samosas in Mysore. So if you are a samosa freak, do drop into the shop and have a taste of the samosa of Mysore. If you're tired of the hot sun, take a break in the India Milk Bar and have the famous lassi of Mysore. This is the oldest shop which used to supply milk in glass bottles. Further down the lane you have a very famous chaat shop where you get the best churmuri of Mysore. Finally, it's time to have a delicious Mysore masala dosa. This is the place in Mysore to have the best masala dosa. So guys, we have come to the end of this walking tour. Many thanks to Sia. She took us around Mysore. She showed us the old heritage structures. She took us to the local market. We saw a lot of things which we have never seen before. And we had the yummiest Mysore masala dosa. We had a sweet lassi. So thank you very much, Sia.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it.
Sure. And thanks to Gully Tours for arranging this walking tour. We really loved it. Thank you very much.
So it was like awesome roaming on the local market here and there. I felt like I'm in Bangalore for 2 minutes.
Bangalore?
Yeah, like commercial street in Shivaji Nagar. It looks the same like that.
Okay.
Like the shops are also decorated in the same way, and only the road is a bit broader. That's why.